Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Extended Reach shown with a surface-mounted dock mount to get a user from the wheelchair down into the water. This is a detailed video to show you one other application of the product, lots of other information like, for example, how to place the sling in videos that are shown with links in the notes field down below this video. So be sure to check those out. Lots of different possibilities. You can use the same lift. There's videos showing the lift getting into the boat that's right next to this particular dock. So lots of different possibilities. Check them all out. Okay, so if you're using this with a single person as an assistant, okay, then you're going to want to use a rope, okay, to control the motion of the user as they go down into the water. If you have a second person down in the water, you may not need to do that. So we're going to show you, since we've only got one person here, we're gonna do that. So first step, we lift. Once we're up and off of the wheelchair, you're gonna move right down into the water. Okay, and this is Lenore, whose dock this is. She's going to show us getting into the water. Now we're down. Remove the sling. And it's time to go for a swim. Access Unlimited is very exciting to produce another solution for you to allow you to get mobility the way you want with one product that does many, many different things and allows you to enjoy life. If you'd like to learn more about our company and our products, please check us out on Facebook. Like us at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun. Instagram at Access Unlimited. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. You can go to our website at www.accessunlimited.com and send us a message there, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-607-615-873-0518. That's 615-873-0518. Thanks very much. Have a swim. Have a great time. Enjoy the video. Watch it again and check out those videos in the notes field down below. Have a great day.